A naked vacuuming baby. I thought you were all done, Wiley. All done? I thought you already vacuumed it and you're all done. Okay, you still doing it? Are you all done? Well, if you're all done, why are you still playing with it? Okay, go put it away then. Vacuum then. Wiley, I have a diaper I want to put on you. Let's get you dressed. Come here. Put your diaper on. Yes, please. Diaper. You look kind of like a monkey. You know that? Monkey. Wiley, are you my monkey? Diaper. Let's put your diaper on. Well, that's not monkey. That's Mickey Mouse. You're putting your diaper on the kitty cat? No, that diaper is for you, Wiley. Why are you putting a diaper on the kitty cat? Is that your kitty? Kiki? Wiley, why are you putting a diaper on a kitty cat? Because you can. The kitty go poo-poo? Does kitty gotta go poo-poo? Wiley, put your diaper on. Put it on you. Put it on Wiley. Put it on Wiley. What are you doing? What are you doing, child? And there she goes again. Oh well. I'm gonna get you, Wiley. I'm gonna get you. Put your diaper on. Oh well. Wiley. Look at mommy. Look at mommy, Wiley. I know you're busy, but look. Say hi, camera. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. But can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good job.